Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Jack. I'm here at the intersection of Ridge Road and Moon Lake Road in Newport Richey. And as you can see, this is where the first part of the Ridge Road extension is going. I'm going to give you the video. I'm going to show you what the first part of the Ridge Road extension looks like. And what's going to happen is the Ridge Road extension is going to come all the way down from 19 and Ridge Road in Newport Richey and Port Richey, all the way down, and it's going to go all the way through to Connerton in Land O'Lakes and all the way to Ehren Cut-Off. So it's going to be a big east-west connection. All right, like I said, this is Ridge Road and Moon Lake Road. Stay tuned for the video. So everybody, again, this is Jack with Geo's Passion. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like and comment, subscribe for more videos of Pasco County happenings. Yeah, like always, enjoy the ride.